Very morning in your house started the same. Your father woke up tired before the sun even rose. 32 years of hard work, and somehow money still disappeared faster than it came. Nobody talked about being poor, but somehow you always felt something was wrong. Nobody in your family escaped survival mode. Nobody built wealth. Then one quiet decision changed your bloodline forever in your family. Money was never freedom. It was survival. Work harder, spend less, and somehow still struggle. Even celebrations always turned into money problems. Every generation repeated the same sentence. We are just not lucky people. You almost made the same dangerous mistake everyone else was making. Internal conflict, suspense, emotional conflict, quiet pressure. New clothes, new phones. But suddenly everyone around you starts spending. Not much. You finally have money for the first time in your life. That night you accidentally discovered something strange. People who built wealth. And suddenly something painful finally makes sense. Your family was not poor. They were poor because nobody ever taught them the rules of money. Changing your future starts with painful decisions. And suddenly, bro, enjoy life. Why are you acting rich already? So while everyone spent, you quietly started building, saving, investing, learning. Nobody claps when you start changing your future. Sometimes people get uncomfortable when you stop repeating their mistakes. Then something strange happens. Everyone around you keeps upgrading their lifestyle, new debt, more complaints. Meanwhile, you keep showing up, saving. Wealth grows quietly, so quietly that for years it feels like nothing is happening. Then one day everything almost collapsed. Your father lost his job, and fear returned to the house, the same fear your family always knew. But this time, something was different. No panic. For the first time in your family history, money stopped a disaster instead of causing one. Something strange begins to happen. The same people who doubted your choices suddenly want your advice. Friends once chasing status, now search for answers. Funny how discipline looks boring until results arrive. Even your family starts seeing you differently. Not because money changed you, but because success changed how people saw you. The strange thing about success, the same people who doubted discipline suddenly call you lucky. Then one ordinary day, everything changes. The people who sacrificed everything for survival have no idea what's about to happen. For the first time in your family history, home no longer feels impossible. The burden they carried for decades finally begins to end. You were not the richest person in the world, but you became something far more powerful. The first person in your bloodline who changed the direction of everyone after you. Years later, something quietly changes forever. The lessons nobody taught you become the lessons you now pass forward. Saving, investing, ownership, patience. The cycle finally begins to change. Sometimes changing your family tree does not start with millions. It starts with one person learning what nobody before them understood. The hardest part of becoming the first rich person in your bloodline is becoming someone nobody around you understands yet.